Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you guys how to get this simple green smoky look. I'm going to start off by using my luster drops. These ones are by Makeup, I think Makeup Revolution, and this is the color Rose Gold. I'm putting that all over my face, feeling like an Instagram girl or whatever. And I'm going to prime my eye now with the MAC Paint Pot. I'm putting that all over, blending that up into the concealer, and then I'm going to set my eyelid with some translucent powder, and this one is by Sacha Cosmetics. Yeah, you guys. Going in with this neutral tone brown from the Chocolate Bar palette, I'm putting that in my crease, swirling it upwards and blending out around the edges. For my second transition color, I'm taking this slightly darker brown and I'm patting that a little bit lower in the outer V, and I'm also blending that into the previous color. Going in with this final really fudgy tone brown, and I'm putting that almost on top of the previous color as well, and I'm repeating the same exact steps. Here I took the Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. I don't remember what color it was, but I think I just took the black out of it. And I'm deepening up the outer corner. You guys don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you want to see more videos, and drop a suggestion down below. So I'm going to also go in with this green color out of the same palette. But first I'm going to wet my brush, and this is where the plan backfired, because I had a little dust fan right in front of me, and I was wetting the brush, but I was wetting the brush with the spray, and the spray slowly fought back. So I'm spraying my brush, going into that color, and then I am patting that on top of my empty lid space, and I'm kind of like carving it out in the front, so it's going to give me naturally a semi cut crease look without the work. Here I'm taking a little bit of it's sort of like a glitter press shadow by Urban Decay. It's called Space Cowboy. It gives me a little bit of sparkle, which the camera didn't really pick up, but you could see in person. So I'm making just a simple eyeliner because I don't really like wings anymore. I don't know, just my personal preference. And I'm also going to put my false eyelashes on with the tweezer and then blend them together with my natural lash using this S curler. I got this one from Ricky's. Moving on to foundation, I'm going for a glowy look, so I already put that those drops all over my face. I'm going to go in with this Clinique foundation. It's super full coverage, and I've just been enjoying it lately, so I'm putting that all over my face, and then I'm going to blend it together using this e.l.f. I think it's like ultimate coverage, I don't know, brush, deluxe brush. $6 I think, and it's better than the $3, I think it was the powder brush everybody's been using. But I really like this brush. I'm going to blend in my foundation all over my face with it. So that's what I'm doing, getting the nooks and crannies in my forehead and making sure that it blends around the eyebrows and into the hairline. Moving on to highlight, I'm going to take my MAC ProLongwear concealer. This is the shade NC45. I've really been liking this concealer, especially after I let it sit on my face a little bit and just dry down slightly, because it provides more coverage. I find that the LA Girl Pro concealers now, like, they don't give us much coverage. I don't know if they changed the formula of the LA Girl Pro concealers, because they're getting more expensive, but I don't feel like the coverage is as good as it was before. I find like now they're a little bit sheerer, so I've been really liking my MAC ProLongwear. And I'm just gonna add a little bit bronze / contour to the face using my black opal foundation stick. So blending everything out as usual, I'm gonna go in with that same brush. Sometimes I alternate between brushes and blending sponge, but today I'm gonna use the same foundation brush. And I'm just making sure everything blends in. You guys have seen me do this 1,000 times. If you want to see a foundation routine, please click back to my previous videos where I have a more in-depth foundation routine for y'all. So yeah, I'm doing that, and I don't know where the footage went for me blending out my contour, but I already moved on and I blended that out. I set my face, and I'm just gonna go in with some blush / bronzer. This is a MAC blush, and I really like it. I am also going to move on to contouring my face with the Black Radiance Pressed Powder in the shade Ebony. As you can see, this is also one of my favorites. I use it every day. For blush today, I'm taking this really natural nude kind of blush for me. And as you can see, it's kind of adding some luminosity. I really like it. It's by NYX Cosmetics. And just to make sure my contour is a bit sharper, I'm going underneath with some banana powder. For my nose, I'm taking the same powder that I use as a blush. Not as a blush, the same powder that I use as a bronzer is what I mean. And I'm contouring my nose with that. For highlighter today, I'm using my favorite. This is a Makeup Addiction Bronzified Loose highlighter. It is gorgeous. I absolutely love this highlighter. I get so many compliments every single time I wear it. Yeah, it's a UK brand. I bought this with my own money and I really love the highlighter. Yeah, so I'm putting that on the highest points of my cheeks and on the top of my cupid's bow, in my chin, in my forehead, everywhere that I usually highlight. And I'm just going to, I'm just going to look like a glazed donut. And I'm moving on lastly to the lips. I'm taking Chesnut Liner by MAC, of course, because it is like my favorite liner ever. And I'm using this matte liquid lipstick by Wet n Wild, and I'm going to top it off with an e.l.f. lip gloss. So I hope you guys enjoyed this look. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in another tutorial. Bye!